Hello and namaste everyone. Today I'm gonna unboxing iPhone 17 Pro Max 512 GB, and this I had bought from E-End, which is a former Edisalat. So I buy this phone in an installment basis for 12 months. First of all, I'll unboxing and then I'll say how much I had paid. Let's see. This is the my new device 17 Pro Max 512 GB in deep blue color. Okay, let's unboxing. As you all know what inside, right? Because this is not, I'm not the first one who unboxing this. Just this is for my record as well as for my one type of content. Like this is the shares, and this is what I get is one data cable, and then this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in blue color, which is my favorite in this 17 series. I like this color than other colors. There are more colors like orange colors, and then after one more that is a gray color, I think. Okay, now first I will open this one. This is the menu, and I think not I think I must say it, this is the first iPhone which I am buying from my own money, but it's an installment from E-End. Okay, let's on this one. Yeah, this is working. Okay, so we'll keep this inside, and what I inside I get means there is one wire, data cable, and what there's anything more, I think nothing. So this is the set for which I buy. Now I have turned on. Now I'll say how I buy this. This set 17 Pro Max I have buy from E&E store, which I'm looking to buy from a long time, but finally today I had buy it. I buy this set in installment basis. There are various types of installment like 6 months, 12 months, 18 months and 24 months. If you buy at 6-month installment from E&, this here in UAE and Dubai, you will get without any charge. Only you need to pay the 6th installment, which is total cost divided by 6 months. And then after if you buy more installment, there will be charge additional cost. And I buy this set for 1 year, that means 12-month installment plan, and this is 17 Pro Max 512 GB. I had buy it for 12-month installment plan. So how much I paid initially? Initially I had paid 1,831 point something fills. Total the initial amount which I had paid today, that is 1,831 point something fills, will cover for several month installment, and then after I have to pay monthly basis until 12 months. So if you have any question, how can you buy, what is the process, and what are the requirements, if you want to know, you can comment below. I'll try to answer via YouTube or any other media. Okay, thank you for watching. At last, this is, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, comment below down, and share with your friends.